Hi folks, Louis Stack here, Fitterfirst. Happy to introduce our new Maple Balance Beams. They're very nice little cradles on the end that sort of grab on and hold it. So we have the 2-foot one that is very popular for basic foot exercises and can be used at your standing desk. So assuming you're at home and barefoot, you can stand on this, we'll show you in a second, and do toe ups and just stretch your toes and get your feet much stronger. And then the 4-foot one is just longer so you can walk on it and do balance work. So they're very simple, they're well priced, they're made in Calgary, or in Canada, or in North America, all of the above. And when you stand on them, feet are what you have, and that's how you get your understanding. So if you're going to do balance work, you're going to do balance work. It's more fun barefoot. I'm cheating, I'm using 2 right now. I'm not saying I have great balance because I'm working on a knee surgery right now. But the fact that you can work on here and get your toes stronger and do toe ups and just do things about using your feet and getting your feet stronger is awesome. Having one around your house is great. Kids will play on it. They're just a really good thing to use. So it's a Maple Balance Beam by Fitterfirst. And like I said, I've been using one at my desk now off and on. And I find it to be very, very effective. And it's low enough to the ground that it's easy to play with. Thanks for checking this out, www.fitterone.com, the 2-foot and the 4-foot Maple Balance Beam. Have a great day.